In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a save on Pinterest. By the end, you will know exactly how to remove a pin on your phone or computer without second-guessing any step. First, open Pinterest and sign in. On a phone, the app icon has the red Pinterest logo on a white background. On a computer, you will usually see the same logo in your browser tab once the site loads. If you are already signed in, your home feed with lots of pins will appear right away. If not, enter your email and password, then continue to the main screen where Pinterest shows recommended content. Once you are signed in, go to your profile. On Android or iPhone, look for the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. On a computer, you will see your profile picture or initials near the top. When you tap or click it, your profile page opens, showing your name at the top and a grid of boards below. This view is where all your saved pins are organized into boards. Now open Saved and select the board containing the pin you want to delete. On mobile, you will see a saved section on your profile, with your boards displayed as tiles. On a computer, the main part of the page already shows your boards under the Saved tab. Choose the board where you know the pin is stored, then open it. The board will display all pins inside as a grid of images and sometimes short titles. Next, find and open the pin you want to remove. Scroll through the board until you see the exact image or title you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check you have the right one, especially if you saved similar pins. When you tap or click the pin, it opens in a larger view. You will now see the image, the pin title, the website or source, and options below or beside it. From there, select the three dots menu, often shown as three vertical or horizontal dots. On a phone, it is usually in the top right corner of the pin screen. On a computer, it appears near the top or side of the pin. When you open this menu, a list of options appears over the pin. In that menu, choose Edit Pin. This opens a panel or screen where you can change details about the pin. You might see options like the board name and description. Beginners sometimes expect a delete button on the first screen, but Pinterest hides it inside Edit Pin, so you are in the right place here. Now select Delete this pin or Delete. The exact wording can vary slightly, but both options do the same thing. Once you tap or click it, Pinterest will not remove the pin immediately. Instead, a confirmation box appears so you can be sure. Finally, confirm by selecting Delete again. After this, the pin disappears from the board grid and from your saved section. You will no longer see it among your other pins on any device. You have just learned how to delete a saved pin from any board on Pinterest across phone and computer. If this helped you clean up your boards, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Pinterest tips.